Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome co-founder of Water Warriors, Steve Chamberlain.
Life cannot exist without water. We need it to survive. At Water Warriors, we believe that water is the world's most valuable resource, and we protect it by removing phosphorus from water. When there's excess phosphorus in water, toxic algae blooms can occur. Algae blooms are thick layers of green slime. They make our drinking water unsafe. They're harmful to the environment as well as human health. The EPA called algae blooms one of the most costly and widespread environmental problems. That is why there's regulations in place that control the amount of phosphorus entering our waterways. Facilities that discharge water, they need to meet specific phosphorus discharge limits in order to avoid costly fines and surcharges. But more importantly, to avoid contributing to these environmental disasters. We developed Poseidon pellets through a cooperative research and development agreement with the US EPA. These pellets absorb phosphorus from water upon contact. They're chemical-free and environmentally friendly, the way we believe how water should be treated. In our pilot with the Coca-Cola Company, we learned about wastewater from a production facility that had a phosphorus concentration of 12,000 milligrams per liter. To put that into perspective, you only need a phosphorus concentration of 1 milligram per liter to cause an algae bloom. Consider that the size of a snowflake. In most of our deployments, we're treating concentrations of around 10 milligrams per liter. We'll liken that to the size of a snowball. 12,000 milligrams per liter is like Mount Everest. We knew the pellets were really going to be put to the test. Here's a quick overview of the pilot. We took a 1,000-gallon tank, filled it about a third of the way with roughly 2,000 pounds of Poseidon pellets. We packaged them in sock booms, really for just convenience for installation. We then transferred the untreated Coca-Cola wastewater into the tank, took samples, and sent them up to the US EPA for analysis. Here's a look at the tank filled to the pellet line. You know, it actually smells a lot better than it looks. It has more of a sweet smell to it. And the results, even sweeter. 99% reduction in 1 hour. We took phosphorus concentrations from 12,000 milligrams per liter to less than 100 milligrams per liter. We also simultaneously raised pH from 2 to neutral in the same amount of time. These results made us believe that our solution was better than the current process, which is hauling off the liquid in a tanker truck at a rate of 12,000 gallons per week. That's 2 trucks per week. That's roughly 100 trucks per year at just this one facility. We can eliminate the trucks and eliminate that expense and save on environmental costs, such as reducing CO2 emissions, all while removing phosphorus from water. And one more thing, when the pellets reach capacity, they can be used as a slow-release fertilizer, returning the phosphorus back to the land. Here's the team making it happen. Dr. Malika Joanna Nadaguda, he's our scientist and the inventor of Poseidon pellets. Our CEO, John Gradick, he's here today, and myself, Steve Chamberlain. We work together to keep things moving, cleaning up water along the way. At this time, we're looking for more customers, more projects in the water so that we can take excess phosphorus where it's having a negative impact and then reuse it for a beneficial purpose for a positive impact. For more information, visit us at waterwarriorsinc.com. Thank you so much for your time.